What's up, future registered nurses? It's me again, and we will talk about your ABG or your arterial blood gas balance. So here we go.
So let's start. First one, what is your normal pH? Your pH is your 7.35 to 7.45, while your respiratory or your partial pressure of arterial carbon dioxide, the normal value, that would be 35 to 45. And your metabolic component, your bicarb, that would be 22 to 26. Now, etong PaCO2 po, ang responsible organ dyan is the lungs. While your HCO3 or your bicarb, ang responsible na organ din po dyan is your kidney. So, if they're going to ask us, ano yung dalawang organs na nagtutulungan para makompensate yung ating pH is your lungs and your kidney. Now, proceeding, what are the steps for your ABG? Some of you might be using the Rome method, your respiratory opposite metabolic equal, or some of you also use a tic-tac-toe method. No? But I use the ABAB. For me, this is much easier, the ABAB. Yung A will represent acid and your B will represent base or basic. So, ang gagawin ko lang dito, ini-input ko lang yung mga normal values. Like your first one is the 7.35 to 7.45. That is your pH. The next one is your PaCO2, the 35 to 45. And then here would be your metabolic component, your 22 to 26. Now, we have to check first the pH. I have an example here. No, dito first one, we have the pH of 7.37 and we have the PaCO2 of 34 and we have the HCO3 of 19. Sige, ilagay natin dito. We have 7.37, we have 34, and we have 19. Ang ginagawa ko lang dito para mas madali, binibilugan ko lang. Now, 7.37, nagfo-fall siya sa normal range, right? Nandito siya in between. So, nilalagay ko, pero mas nagfo-fall on siya sa acid. Pero nilalagyan ko ng N kasi normal siya. Now, proceeding tayo, 34. 34 yung binigay sa atin dito sa respiratory. Is it normal or abnormal? It's abnormal because it's low. So, binibilugan ko yung basic kasi mas mababa siya. Next one, 19. Binagyan tayo ng 19. Dito siya. Is it mababa or mataas? Still mababa. Nagpo-fall siya dito. So, binibiligan ko ulit ito. Now, titignan natin kung alin dito ang same. Because that would be the second step. We have to check if same sila sa pH. Sino ang same dito? That would be your metabolic is the same with the pH. No? So, anong tawag dyan? Ang magiging tawag dyan ngayon, it's what? Metabolic acid doses. Why? Kasi acid siya. But still, normal pa lang siya. Now, pag-usapan natin yung compensation. Now, in here, we have to check for the normal compensation. Kapag normal ang pH, it means fully compensated siya. It means na-compensate, naging normal yung pH mo. It means gumagalaw ang iyong both lungs and your kidney para ma-stabilize si pH. It means normal siya. Now, in here, kapag lahat naman of normal, including your pH, your respiratory, and your metabolic, ang magiging sagot dyan is partially compensated. Now, dito naman, either metabolic or respiratory ay normal, ang tawag po dyan is uncompensated. It means, dapat yung lungs mo and your kidney, dapat nagwo-work po ito para maging normal si pH. But, isa sa kanila, it's either lungs or kidney is normal. Kapag normal ang lungs, it means hindi siya nagko-compensate para sa kay pH. Kidney lang ang gumagalaw. Vice versa. Ganun lang po, no? Now, balikan natin dito sa ating example. Kung titignan natin, normal ba ang pH? Normal ba ang pH? Kung normal ang pH, it means gumagalaw both si lungs and si kidney. So, metabolic acidosis fully compensated ang answer ngayon ng example na ito. Now, another example. Sige, pag-usapan natin. Another example. Number 2. We have pH of 7.56, PaCO2 of 20, and HCO3 of 20. Sige, ilagay natin. Again, we have 7.56, we have 20, and 20. Now, dito, bilog-bilog ulit ang gagawin natin. Bilugan lang natin. 7.56, dito siya nagpo-fall. Kaya basic siya. 20 ang ating respiratory. Mababa ba? Mababa. Kaya basic siya. Ang HCO3 na 20, mataas ba? It's still mababa. Dito siya. So, acid siya. Now, check natin ang pH kung same. Sino ang same dito? It's your respiratory. So, ang magiging ang answer dyan is the respiratory alkalosis. But, we are still here to determine yung kanyang compensation. Now, balikan natin dito. May normal ba dyan? May normal ba? First of all, walang normal. Kung walang normal, tanggal na ito. Tanggal na tong dalawa. It means, ang answer dyan ngayon is partially compensated. Lagay natin. Respiratory alkalosis partially compensated. It means, kung partially compensated, gumagawa pala ng paraan ang ating lungs and ating kidney para ma-stabilize ang ating pH. Now, I have a technique dito konti, no? Your acidosis and alkalosis. Kapag acidosis, ganito lang. Tatanungin kung anong electrolyte ang involved. Pag acidosis, isulat mo lang ganito. Acidosis. Why? Kasi magiging decrease ang kanyang sodium. Now, ano ang kabaliktaran ng sodium? That would be your potassium, your K+. So, kapag decrease ang sodium, mataas si potassium. So, this is dangerous, no? Now, pag alkalosis naman, sige, alkalosis, sulat natin. Alkalosis. It means, your potassium will be low. Ano ang kabaliktaran ng potassium? That would be sodium. Pero mababa ang potassium, kaya mataas si sodium. Paano naman kung tatanungin tayo, no? Kapag walang normal values na nilalagay, ang nilalagay lang is sakit, no? We have to ask ourselves, first one, is it a breathing problem? If it's yes, it means respiratory siya. Kapag no, it means metabolic siya. Now, dito muna tayo sa yes. Kapag yes, it means think about oxygen. Kapag mataas si oxygen, it means what? Alkalosis. Paano naman kapag mababa? That is your acidosis. Now, ano ang ating intervention ngayon? Kapag alkalosis, mataas ang oxygen sa katawan, kailangan ng carbon dioxide. So, anong gagawin mo? You have to give paper bag para masustain ang kanyang carbon dioxide. Now, pag acidosis naman, mataas si carbon dioxide. So, anong gagawin mo? You have to give oxygen. Now, balik tayo. Kapag no naman ang sagot mo, magiging metabolic. Okay? Now, it's either, ang iisipin mo, mouth. Mouth ang iisipin mo. Kapag sa mouth, isipin mo kung lumalabas. Kung lumalabas ba sa mouth? Like what? You're vomiting. Kapag lumalabas sa mouth, it means that is your alkalosis. Kapag hindi lumalabas, that is your acidosis. Kapag hindi lumalabas sa mouth, pwedeng lumabas sa puwet, pwedeng diarrhea, that is your acidosis. Kapag diarrhea, you're using your acidosis. Now, ano ang magiging intervention mo? Pag alkalosis, sinabi ko na to kanina, the K will be low. So what will you give? You have to give potassium. While in here, your acidosis, the decrease sodium. Kapag decrease ang sodium, you have to give sodium. And that's it. And we are done.